Welcome to another video. In this video we'll talk about how to add iframe in Titan Web. So let me show you how this works. Let's say I want to add an iframe. So we'll go over to Media and you've got something called iframe. Drag this over here like this and then you are pretty much good to go. So all you need is a public URL, something like this. Let's copy this and we'll pop it in here. Alright. Once you do it, it will pick it up automatically. This one, in this case, isn't public, so that's an issue. So what we can do is we can take a public URL. So let's type public URL, random public URL. Public URL iframe map. So what we can do is we can take something like, maybe like this. Yeah, so let's copy this and then we can pop this in here and then let's see what comes up. So once I pop it in here, you can see there's the iframe. It's come in really, really nicely. And then let's increase the size and width like this. So this can be, I don't know, your business location if you want to use in Google Maps, and then you can just embed that as an iframe directly in Titan Web. It's really, really cool and it works really, really nicely. You don't have to do much other than adding the URL. Now, there are a couple of features you must be aware of. Hide on load. If you want to hide the iframe on load, you can. You can set up conditions. You can bring this URL from Salesforce dynamically also. You can set up animation. You can set up metadata. And one final point is that if you ever want to interact with the iframe, then I would recommend you use what we call post message. And this will allow you to interact with the iframe, and the video is over here. If you click on the eye, it will take you there. But that's it. This is how you add an iframe. You just simply take your element over into Media. So under Media, we've got the iframe. You drag the iframe over, paste your URL, and then we will simply do the rest of the work, and then you can just move this as you see fit. And yeah, this is how it's done.